Sally Hansen 450 Reflection Pole Color has to be one of my favorite nail polishes ever. This is on the sheer side of nail polishes, so for full coverage you want to add 2 coats. Follow me for more. Instant Dry's 413 Espresso has to be one of the most comforting nail polish colors ever. Follow me for more. Sally Hansen's 460 Oceans Away is a very comforting color. You'll get a full coverage look with 2 coats. This color is between a blue and a gray. Follow me for more. Revlon's 745 Pink Glaze is my favorite nail polish ever. It has very beautiful pink iridescent hints to it. Follow me for more videos. If you're looking for a beautiful royal blue, Sally Hansen's 619 Tidal Wave is perfect for you. The drying time is under 1 minute and you will need 2 coats for a full coverage look. I'll never forget the day I bought this color. I was working at Walgreens and a customer came in with this nail polish on her nails and I said I have to get that color. She came in the next day and I had the same nail design she had. She totally thought I was weird. No, like seriously, this is my favorite nail polish ever. When I first started doing nails, I always did my grandma's nails and she loved this color. You can't go wrong with a maroon color like this. Revlon 274 Passionate is more on the sheer side, so you're going to need about 3 coats for full coverage. Sinful Cover's 387 Bali Mist is a very beautiful sheer color. You can wear this color as is or add it on top of any color. If you love iridescent purples, Etsy's 1606 Spring in Your Step is the perfect nail lacquer for you. I personally love Etsy's formula for nail polish because you're able to work with it. You will need 2 coats for full coverage. Follow me for more videos. OPI Ring Barrier is the perfect earth tone for nails. This polish gives you enough time to work with it before it completely dries on the nail. I accidentally got lint stuck in my nail and look, I was able to pull it out without disrupting the nail polish. For even coat, you will need 2 coats of nail polish. OPI Makes My Day is one of my favorite OPI nail polishes. It's a super purple and very pigmented. You will need 2 coats for full coverage look. If you're looking for the perfect Christmas glitter, Sinful Colors Santa Claus Nail Lacquer is the perfect glitter for you. Gold iridescent hues, white glitters that look like snowflakes over a solid nail color. Follow Boss Nails Divine for more colors. If you're just now getting into your mint bag, Sinful Colors Mint Apple is the perfect nail lacquer for you. The formula gives you enough time to work with it before it fully dries. You'll get very beautiful hues of gold flakes in this nail polish. Do you love the color baby blue on your nails? I love this nail polish formula because it doesn't dry super fast and you're able to work with it and it is super full coverage. Beyonce had red polished toes, so everybody did. For this color, you will need 3 coats for full coverage. This product gives you time to manipulate it. Sally Hansen Miracle Gels are normally full coverage polishes. You'll need 2 coats for a full coverage look. Confetti Craze Extreme Wear is a super 90s throwback. This color is perfect for a New Year's party. It's a very sheer glitter. If you're going to a 90s party, get this nail polish.